going on, Racer with the No Boss Life channel, the person bringing you a little bit closer to breaking the cycle of the rat race. So I'm going to get right into this video. I'm going to log into a PayPal account here I've got. Did I do it right? Pretty sure I thought I did. Oh no, I didn't. Wrong password. Now let's see. Yep, I think it's going to do it this time. Let's go. As you can see, oh my gosh. God, no, I don't want to update my app. It's forcing me to update my app, so we'll wait for that. I was going to show you this anyways. I was going to go to another app that I use to get paid with what I'm going to talk about here in this video called Stripe. It's very similar to PayPal, and as you can see right here, I've made over $23,000 here with something I've actually been getting paid with. That time span I've made that money in is about 3.5 months, maybe a little less than 3.5. Log into my Chase Bank account here, and before I do that and show you this, I want you to leave in the comments right now, do you believe you personally can make money online? A lot of times people look up these videos and I think they see other people's results, but when it comes to them thinking they can actually do it, for some reason people have a hard time believing it. So do you believe you can actually make money online if you found something legit, something that was easy for you to plug into? So I'm gonna shut up and log into my Chase account here. Did I hit the button? I think I did. Let's see how much I got in my account here. I should lower the brightness because it's so bright. $737. I was at an 8 something, but I guess my car insurance came out. So that's awesome. $737 in my bank account right now, which isn't a whole lot of money, but guys, I remember several times where my account was negative many times. So what's allowed me to go from being broke, being a full-time caregiver, to literally working full-time online? I'm with a system that allows anybody to get an unlimited amount of PayPal payments or Stripe payments sent to them. And no, this is not going to be like a paid survey thing. This isn't going to be like watching videos for free to make money. This isn't going to be one of those things where it's like, oh, go on this one site and just download all these apps on your phone, and for each app you download, you're going to get a freaking penny. At this point in my life, I'm only interested in getting involved with things that can give me the potential to make a lot of money with them, and then I can scale. If I already know it's going to take a lot of my time to be able to make a lot of money online, I'm going to do it. I'm going to spend that time on something, like I said, that gives me the potential to make a lot of money, you know, per day, per week, per month. I'm talking, you know, minimum $100 a day. Those other methods that people talk about on videos like this, they can work, and I will maybe make videos on those type of things in the future, but just focus on things that are actually worth spending a lot of my time on. So the system that I'm with is a direct sales opportunity. You can go on Google, YouTube, or whatever and just type in, you know, direct sales opportunities. You're gonna find, you know, a whole bunch of different types. You're gonna find some that are smaller than mine. You're gonna find some that are bigger than mine. You're gonna find direct sales opportunities that pay less than the one that I'm with, and then you maybe even find some that will pay you way more than the one that I'm with. But the key that I am really loving right now is finding direct sales opportunities. The one I'm particularly with is something that teaches people how to leverage the power of social media platforms to make money. You're going to learn skills in this digital product that not only can work for this particular opportunity, but you can take with you for the rest of your life and apply to any business once you get the concept of what these social media marketing tactics are. Some of you are going to hate that I'm going to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. There is a link in my video description below you need to click on to know exactly what this direct sales opportunity is. You're going to see another video of me showing you, okay, exactly what the step-by-step process is if you can even become qualified for this opportunity, and what you're going to be doing to make money. And also I talk a little bit about the social media tactics you're going to be doing, okay, on these platforms. If you're really interested in making $100 or more a day, okay, then this should be piquing your interest. And I do want to say this: be inspired by my results, but don't be fooled. So as much as I'm sitting here like, oh my God, this is amazing, it did take me some time to build up to this. I've been doing this for quite some time. I've been doing this full time since 2013. I'm interested in helping people who have the patience and willpower to learn a real skill that they can take for the rest of their life to make money. So if you're interested in that and interested in my extra bonus coaching, take a look at that link. like this video. Again, leave a comment in this video saying do you really believe you personally can make money online? There was a time where I questioned this stuff, and ever since I switched a few things in my mindset, I absolutely believe that I can personally make money online. I've been doing it, and anytime I kind of switch some things up in my mindset, I make more and more money with the work ethic, tied to that. So anyways, that's it. Talk to you guys later, and I can't wait to work with you.